Okay, so makeup today. You will probably see this look again in a Walmart video coming up soon because this is Milani stuff that is exclusive to Walmart, but how gorgeous. Sunsetty tones. It's the collaboration with Arfazinali. Yes, Arfazinali. I can't pronounce her name correctly. And the lip is also, there's a lot of Milani, so let me show you what we have. The Makeup Forever Reboot Foundation I got at some point this year. Tried it, didn't like it, and then brought it out again, and now I really think it's pretty. So there's that. The Rodial down the nose, Kogendo powder under the eyes, Makeup Forever powder on the face, Physicians Formula bronzer on the cheeks with the Misha contour, the e.l.f. concealer on the face. The lip is both Milani Saucy Toffee liner and Charming Amore Shine lip. And then this beautiful quad. I use 4 of the 6 colors, and then a Kiko base with a Maybelline eyeliner. From left to right on top, we have the Kiko, and then the 4 shadows I used. And then the bottom are the 2 shadows I did not use, but wanted you to see the swatches, and the lip, the bronzer, and the contour. These tones are beautiful. They're very rich, and they create like a, just, you know, I mean, you see my eye makeup, right? Like you can get like a just, not a run-of-the-mill eye. Right, so this is another look in case you wanted a better look at the product. So the lip liner, I didn't really apply traditionally. I had to go in with the gloss first and then apply the liner and then a little more gloss on the edges to kind of create that dimension because, you know, the liner is a little darker than what I'm used to. Okay, Costco haul. These Sokuse or Esosaki, I don't know how we're pronouncing this. Shrimp chips with garlic and butter. So delicious. You will eat the entire bag. They are amazing. Highly recommend. So these plantain chips are ridge cut, and I believe, are they kettle? Yes, kettle. So they're a little hard and they're thicker. So while I like the flavor, it's like, I just feel like I'm breaking my teeth a little bit. Not breaking, chipping, filing away, you know, slow erosion of teeth. They're a little hard. They're probably excellent for picking up like a guac or like a chunky salsa, chunky dip thing. We got some avocados, some frozen strawberries for smoothies. We have the shrimp cocktail. Sometimes I'll get the cilantro lime if I know I'm gonna go through it faster because that I feel like will go bad quicker, whereas this, more lasting power. I also can use it for my spring rolls. I have some bananas, and this is the chocolate fudge lava cake. So my mom took 2, and I have 2 in here. Let's see. Okay, handmade in London. Okay, was not expecting that. Are they known for their lava cakes? Oh. Okay, so whatever this is hard. And how do I make this? Oh, okay. Well, the instructions are like, for us, it's best in the microwave, but the oven is fine as well. So, microwave it is. And lastly, I repurchased this with chicken and portobello mushroom, etc. So, I showed this to you before. Everything comes packaged separately. So I can just give Sumo the chicken and I can enjoy everything else. So, yay! All right, guys, so the latest in more Ulta hauling. So this was ordered before I showed you guys that stuff with the Foreo Mini, which I am testing out. And I'm like, I haven't formed opinions yet. It is much stronger than the NuFace, but I am very much restricted by the app right now, so I have to figure that out. So this was ordered probably closer to the week of Black Friday. And it's just come in because I don't know, there was like a situation with this package. So the first thing I have is the Lorac Pro Palette in Meraki. And I mentioned I would pick this up because I've been really loving the Noir. And here's what this looks like. It looks like a combination of the Noir and the Soleil. And I avoided this at first. I was like, I'm not even gonna consider it because these 3 rows looked very similar. But in person, there is in fact much more of a tone difference, of a texture difference. So let me see if I can actually show you guys. Okay, finally. Do we see how like maybe it's not as similar as we think? I mean, it is, but it also allows for a lot of slow dimension. Slow as in like you can keep building. Okay, so next we have this CoverGirl True Naked Queenship Lush Luxuriance. I don't know why I feel like this was not the color I don't remember any of these names. I picked one up because these have been getting really good reviews. You know, I start every single eyeshadow look with a crayon. So, I mean, always into drugstore. I got the Kiko last time and I've been really liking that. This, ooh, I guess I got a little smushed. So Lush Luxuriance, I guess, is the shade of this. Really? It's a long name. Okay, anyway, from CoverGirl. There's Lush Luxuriance. The color is really pretty. Okay, I think these were like $6 or $8-ish, and they're the Tarte Goddess lashes. They're lashes that have become like my daily lash. I don't know why, it's like actually quite a dramatic lash, but it's what I have on right now as well. Okay, so those are the Tarte Goddess lashes. I trim off about a quarter of them, and they're just really, really pretty. They make my eyes look very wide-eyed, and they do flare out a little bit at the edges, giving me that like extra lift. Okay, so next I have these Cupid's Arrow full color Stilo from Nabla. I have had my eye on these since they were released. They were, I think, released at the beginning of summer, and it said they were multi-use. You can use them on your eyes and on your lips or on your face. Well, I don't know, well, eyes and lips. So let's just take a look, because I have like been wanting these for a while, and I think they were on sale for not the full price and at a price that I felt like I could pick them up basically. Oh, the Lorac was, I think, only like 31, and the original price of that palette was 45. Okay, so they're really pretty. They look like this. Number 1 is a nude. Ooh, that will probably be really pretty on the lips. Then I grabbed number 3, which is like a purpley burgundy shade. Oh, this is going in the waterline. Oh my gosh, maybe we'll put it in today. And then number 4 is just a black. These are rich, guys. Made in Italy, as Nabla is made in Italy. So 1, 3, and 4. I am excited for this. Even this is an eye look. Okay, actually there was a free gift with purchase with the Lorac. So let me rip that open. They even sealed the sealed bag. Okay. Okay, so, oh, both of these look like things I have been wanting to pick up. Okay, so there's a lip liner in Socialite. Okay, so that looks like a shade I would enjoy. Okay, so I don't know what happened in that clip. It's like I thought I was filming and I don't remember clicking the button, but it stopped, and I had a whole other part of that haul that I was gonna show you, and that did not record. So I just want to show you the Lorac lip swatches because these are really beautiful. The lipstick is in Canyon Climber, and the formula is so lovely. I don't know if I've ever had a full-size Lorac lipstick before. And then the lip liner is in Socialite, and they just go together so beautifully. I put it on, and it's probably in like another video that you'll see, but there's like, it's a glossy lipstick. So very lovely, thin, lightweight formula, but has a lot of pigment. Okay, yes, now is the end of the video.